We will use the to-chat with our Make template to export your WhatsApp catalog to Shopify easily. Click on Start Guided Setup. Now here you must add the phone number where the WhatsApp catalog is created. Here you must add the to-chat API key. You will find the API key in your to-chat dashboard. Click on Continue to go to the next template step. Here we will add the JSON structure that will return the to-chat API. Go to the URL added in the help text to get the JSON from the to-chat developer site. Copy the whole response sample text. Now add a new structure. Enter a proper name. We will use to-chat to differentiate the structure. Click on Generate. Paste the sample response you copied from the to-chat developer site and click on Generate. Make will create the required structure to process the following steps. Click on Continue. Here, you must create a Shopify connection. It's easier if you have already logged into Shopify in another window. As the Shopify subdomain, you must enter only the starting characters from your Shopify account. Click on Save. You must allow Make to be installed in your Shopify account. Click on Continue. Now, for the last step you must select the Shopify connection created previously. And you finished creating the new scenario. Now let's execute it. Click on the Run Once button. The first step will use to-chat to get all the catalog from the phone number added as parameter. This phone number must be added as a channel in your to-chat account. Make will loop through all the products and it will add them to your Shopify account, including your product image. You can see in your Shopify account how every product is being added. You can edit the Make scenario in case you need some specific configuration. As you can see, with a few steps all your WhatsApp catalog was imported to your Shopify account, avoiding manual data entry.